Hey guys, so in today's video, I wanted to show you how I've been styling this loose wavy hairstyle, and this has been my go-to over the past week, so let's go ahead and get started. I first started off by using GK Hair's Moisturizing Color Protection Shampoo and Conditioner. This is also their hair taming system, which is perfect for me because my hair tends to get very unruly and also pretty frizzy. And these products are also great for adding strength and shine to your hair. The next product I used from GK Hair was their serum, and I use this on wet hair, and I'm also going to use it on my dry hair. This is their anti-frizz smoothing serum, which again is perfect for me because my hair just tends to get pretty frizzy, and I love using this product because it's not greasy at all. I think it just blends really well into my hair and adds that shine. It also helps my hair look really healthy and just really glowing, so I love using this product. It also has a really nice scent to it, which I like. It's nice and light. And again, I like to use this on my damp hair and also on dry hair, and also when I'm styling my hair. So if you want to check out these products, I'll put a direct link down below so you can. But I'm going to go ahead and move into this hairstyle. I've just grabbed my flat iron, and I'm just going to focus on creating a bend about mid-length on my hair. So you'll see me do this around my whole head. I'm just doing the top layer of my hair. And again, I'm just focused on creating a bend about mid-length on my hair, and I really like this because it looks like you've styled your hair, but you didn't take too much time doing it, and of course this doesn't take too much time to do at all anyway, so I like how loose and effortless this looks, and I'm kind of leaving the ends of my hair straight, so I really am just slightly curling my hair away from my face, but it's a very loose wave, and as soon as I create that wave, I just let the rest of that section go. So I'll create that bend away from my face and then just let that section go. And you can do this on the ends of your hair as well if you want to, but I personally kind of like keeping those parts straight. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the serum from GK Hair again and use that as my finishing styling product with a little bit of hairspray. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Again, I love how effortless this looks, and this will go into the second day hair if you want to keep this style going into your second day. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I put out new videos every week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!